Hello everyone, I'm Maathula. My group members are Meng, Attapol, and Palwinderjit, and today we'll be talking about Lean in design. In our presentation, we'll discuss what Lean design is, why we should use it, how it can be incorporated into the building design process, comparing traditional and Lean design approaches, the results of these comparisons, and comparing traditional project delivery to integrated Lean project delivery. What is Lean design? Lean design is an extension of Lean thinking, which has been applied to various stages of production in industries such as manufacturing, construction, and healthcare. Moving Lean thinking upstream should have a significant impact on delivering value throughout the process, because the majority of the costs and much of the quality in a construction project are locked in long before production begins. The design process will be critical not only to do things right, but more importantly, to do the right thing. The main objectives of Lean thinking in design aims to find the best design to meet clients' needs and to define systems, structures, and materials that ensure efficient construction. Transformation, flow, and value are the three perspectives in Lean design. The transformation perspective sees design as a process in which inputs are transformed into outputs. This point of view is concerned with completing tasks as quickly as possible. Creating design documents, sketches, or prototypes, for example, can be viewed as tasks from a transformation standpoint. The flow perspective emphasizes the smooth flow of materials and information throughout the design process. It aims to shorten lead times and eliminate interruptions. Understanding and delivering what is most important to the customer is at the heart of the value perspective. It entitles analyzing requirements and constraints in order to generate designs that provide the most value. The table below compares the different perspectives in Lean design. Transformation, also known as task management, focuses on completing crucial tasks to create a design that meets specific requirements. This perspective primarily employs principles like top-down decomposition and work breakdown structures. Flow, also known as flow management, is about streamlining the design process by cutting out unnecessary steps. It emphasizes the efficient and smooth movement of information and activities. The key principle here is waste reduction, which involves reducing delays and minimizing interruptions in the design process. This perspective often encourages teamwork to improve the flow and effectiveness of design. Value generation, also known as value management, is the process of designing a product that meets customer needs. The key principle here is to eliminate anything that diminishes value. To achieve this, a comprehensive analysis is usually used to ensure that the design effectively fulfills customer requirements.
So in this slide, we're going to discuss why lean design is important for our project management. So why it is important? Because of the five main factors, which are account for credibility, resource allocation, unavoidable delays, managing construction documentation process, and maintaining the quality standards. Firstly, we're going to discuss about account for credibility. Lean design also ensures that information in project does not compromise any significant error and gives the accurate image of the goal of project by giving the positive outcome. And the next one is a resource allocation process of scheduling resources. It's basically the process of how to schedule our resources. So it plays a big role in project management by giving proper process of not only identifying the resources but also giving them to access and initiating the things. And lean design also avoids the unavoidable delays. Lean design filters the approach to completion of project by reducing non-value-added activity, removing the constraints and bottlenecks that cause wait time, such as defects, excess production, and lack of resources. In this way, it can lower costs and increase the customer satisfaction. So the next one is the managing construction document process. Lean design manages the construction documentation process by promoting the standardization, collaboration, continuous improvement, and the use of digital tools and technology. By eliminating waste and optimization workflows, it can result in more efficient and effective construction documentation. And it ultimately leads to better project outcomes. So the last one, how it maintains the quality standards. It it does so by early problem identification, clear communication, and by testing and prototyping. So basically what I mean by testing and prototyping is that lean design verifies design concepts, allows for adjustment to be made before the construction begins.
How to apply lean design into building design process. Here are steps to apply lean principle in a building design process. First, identify value from the client's point of view. That means identify and understand the specific needs and requirements of the project stakeholders, including owners, users, and regulatory body. Determine what features, functions, and attributes are essential for the project success and prioritize them. For example, for a new residential housing project, value may be defined as delivering comfortable and affordable homes that meet the needs and preference of the target market. Second, identify process that deliver the value stream. That means analyze the entire design process from initial concept development to project complete. Identify all the activities, tasks, and process involved in the design phase and the flow of information between them. Visualize the current state of the design process using tools like value stream mapping. For example, map out the entire design process, including activities like conceptual design, schematic design, design development, construction document, and client approval. Third, eliminate waste. That means identify and eliminate activities and processes that do not add value to the project. Common types of waste in design process include over-processing, overproduction, and unnecessary installations. Streamline decision-making process to reduce delays and bottlenecks. For example, identify waste in the design process such as excessive revision, unclear client requirement, or unnecessary meeting. Streamline the process to reduce this inefficiency. Fourth, create flow. That means ensure smooth and continuous flow of information and work within the design team. Use collaborative tools and technologies to facilitate real-time communication and information sharing. Minimize handoff and handovers that can lead to delays and errors. For example, implement a collaborative design process where architects, engineers, and other stakeholders hold closely together throughout the project. Use digital tools to facilitate real-time collaboration and information sharing. Fifth, establishing pool planning and scheduling. That means implement a pool system where work is initiated based on demand and customer needs rather than pushing work through the process. Avoid excessive work in process and focus on completing tasks before starting new ones. For example, instead of pushing design tasks into team members, let project demand dictate the pace of work. Start design phase based on client needs and project milestones. 6. Perfecting the process to continue improvement. That means continually improve the design process by collecting feedback from team members, stakeholders, and end users. Use key performance indicators to measure and track progress and identify areas for improvement. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement and empower team members to suggest and implement change. 7. Standardize and document. That means develop and document standardized design process, workflow, and best practice. Ensure that all team members understand and follow these standards to maintain consistency and efficiency. 8. Empower the team. That means promote collaboration and communication among team members and stakeholders. Give team members the authority to make decisions and solve problems as they arise. Foster a culture of accountability and responsibility. 9. Value engineering. Continually evaluate design decisions to find more cost-effective and efficient solutions without compromising quality. Consider alternative materials, construction methods, and technologies. 10. Lean tools and techniques. That is, utilize lean tools and techniques such as 5S, Kanban, and Kaizen events to drive improvement effort and maintain a lean mindset.
The comparisons of lean approach versus traditional approach in design processes. Certainly, here's a comparison between the lean design approach and the traditional approach in the context of design processes. First is focuses on value. Lean design places a strong focus on delivering value to the customer by emphasis on their needs and preference, often involving customer in the design process. Traditional approach may prioritize feature and element based on assumption only. The second is continuous improvement. Lean design promotes a continuous improvement where teams regularly review and enhance processes to increase efficiency and quality. Traditional approach may lack a structured approach to continuous improvement, resulting in outdated practice. Next is collaboration and empowerment. Lean design encourages collaboration among all project stakeholders and empowers team members to make the decisions. Traditional approach can sometimes involve silo and hierarchical decision making. Fourth is waste reduction. Lean design minimizes waste in all aspects of the design process, including time, resources, and materials, by identifying and eliminating non-value added activity. Traditional approach tends to generate more waste due to inefficient processes. Number 5, flexibility. Lean design values flexibility and adaptability, making it easier to respond to change in project requirements or unexpected challenge. Traditional approach may be less adaptable to change, potentially resulting in delay and cost overrun when modifications are required. 6 is standardization and documentation. Lean design focuses the importance of standardization to improve efficiency but does not overcomplicate documentation. Traditional approach can sometimes involve unnecessary documentation and standardization, which may slow down processes. The last one is information flow. Lean design optimizes the flow of information among project stakeholders, ensuring timely and accurate communication, while traditional approach may have bottlenecks and delays in information flow, leading to misunderstandings and inefficiency. The figure 1 shows the project outcome of lean approach and traditional approach. Lean approach can deliver higher clients' expectation, effective timeline and schedule, lower budget, and higher design quality. The table 2 shows the result of 2 projects using different project delivery from initial project throughout the construction stage. The St. Olaf College Fieldhouse reached the lower budget than another one, while the GFA is bigger than about 30%. and also the project duration is shorter. From the presentation, lean thinking are beneficial in the design process as they emphasize efficiency, waste reduction, and customer value. By minimizing unnecessary steps, resources, and repetitions, lean increases productivity, shortens development cycles, and ensure designs meet user needs effectively, making it an essential approach for successful and cost-effective design projects. Thank you. These are our references.